Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get the notification of all my videos. Hey friends, I wish all of you doing well. Many smartphone users having this issue that their mobile phone battery doesn't last for a long time. But today I have one solution for you, and I wanted to suggest you that keep your mobile phone's display always black. For that you can also install some of the black themes on your device. But many smartphones doesn't support the themes also. But in this video I'm going to tell you how to install the black themes very easily. To know that, keep watching this video till the end. And this is Sachin and you're watching Tech Gadget Lover. Welcome back to my channel, friends. Now I'm gonna show you how to install black themes in your Android device. So keep following all the steps which I'm gonna show you in the further part of this video. So first of all, you download the zip file which I have given in description below, and then extract that file in the app which I have provided in the description again. Let me show you that zip file. That you need to go to your file manager, any file manager whichever you are having on your smartphone, and then find this dark theme. As you can see over here, the zip file which I have downloaded in my mobile. So you also download that and then extract this file. Let me show you how to extract. Here I just tap this zip file, and then you will see the app like this, RAR, and open that app. Then you will see the option like this, dark. Click that, and again then you will see all the different themes in this particular app. Just install all the themes. I have already installed all the themes over here, so I just doesn't need to install them again. So you install each and every themes, and then after installing all these themes, then go to your setting and find this display option, then advanced, and then you will see one new option over here, that is a device theme. So click this device theme. After clicking, you will see all the themes here in this option, and then you can try any theme over here. Now you can see the complete display has been changed. Again you can try any other themes, like here I'm trying pixel theme. Here again the display is completely changed. In this way you can use any theme whichever you want, but in my opinion you must use the black theme only, which can save your battery a lot. So that's it for now, friends. I hope you understand each and every steps, and if you found this video helpful, please like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel.